Hello guys, let's unbox another parcel today.
Use a cutter to open the box.
Watch till the end to know on what might we unboxing.
Another Simplus brand. Can you guess what is it? Clue. It's an electric handheld mixer. Actually, it comes with 3 items in one set. It is worth for its price, since it's only 500 plus and for 3 items already. It comes with electric meat grinder, egg beater good. For making mayo together with handheld mixer. If you wanna order, I'll be pasting the link on the comment section, caption or description box. To access for its digital manual, you just need to scan the QR code together with the items. And there, you can now follow on how to properly use the items.
Thank you for watching.